Kum Shibanta Kajing Pankre Yaka election jet nong mikmat Sharaja Sabha U Dr. BDR Tawari Chief Electoral Officer CEO Kajala Haka Arp Kandai Tarik Jamang Arjar Punreu Ula Penlong Yaka Jingalang Bat Kisang San Patay Banyamir Jengmot Halor Kanekamat Hapakren Sekilat Patay Kubor U Dr. BDR Tawari Ulaong Bakajala Klalong Kabla Pankre Nakabanta Kaneka election Ulaong Ru Bakatarik ban phep kerteng yaki kertong kanlong haka sitarik jeleu arjar apun reu bat katarik bakhaddu ban phep kerteng kanlong haka pratarik jeleu arjar apun reu nangta kejing pijbnya yaki kot kisla jongki kertong kanlong haka khandai tarik jeleu arjar apun reu bat katarik bakhaddu ban weng kerteng kandai haka khadwai tarik jeleu arjar apun reu nolor kata uloong bakatarik thabwod kandai haka khat pratarik jeleu arjar apun reu Nadu kapor khandai beje men setiap hadu kapor sau beje jan met. Bat kajingyo yaki wot kandai hakatehi kasngi hakapor san beje jan met. Celang frontier at the heart of Meghalaya.
We had a meeting with the political parties with respect to the conduct of biennial Rajya Sabha election in the state of Meghalaya. As the present tenure of Honorable MP Rajya Sabha is going to be ended by 21st of June. So election have to be held by latest by the 20th of this June. So as per schedule prescribed by Honorable Commission of India, the notification for this vacancy or conduct of the election will be on the 1st June 2026 on Monday, and last date of making nomination is 8th June. Scrutiny of nomination will held on the 9th of June, and last date for withdrawal of candidates is 11th June 26. Date of poll is fixed on the 18th June, and from 9 am to 4 pm on 18th June. So counting of votes will be on the same day on 18th at 5 pm onward, and the date to be the process to be completed is before 20th June 2026. So accordingly we have briefed the detailed process in respect to the conduct of biennial election. Morning we had a visit of the venue along with the officials from Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and the venue everything has already been visited and it found satisfactory as per the norm, schedule, everything, layout, etc. been provided by Honorable Election Commission of India. So we briefed the entire process to the political parties regarding filing of nomination, including submission of Form 2C, affidavit in Form 26, security deposit, oath or affirmation, Form A and Form BB in case of party candidate, including the provision related with the Form C1 to C8. So these are the mandatory things. The voter list is also being prepared by the Assembly. So special emphasis we have laid on the provision relating to the publicity of the criminal antecedents by the candidate and political parties in compliance with the direction of Honorable Supreme Court and instruction issued by Honorable Election Commission of India. The system of election under the proportional representation by mean of single transferable vote and the procedure for open ballot voting under the Representation of People Act 1951 is also been briefed to the political parties, and they were informed that the member belonging to political party are required to show their marked ballot paper only to the authorized agent of their own political party and not to any other party agent on the day of poll. Independent MLAs are prohibited from showing their ballot paper to any agent. Further, the participants, we briefed them on the method of recording preferences, validity of ballot papers, and the procedure for counting of vote and ascertainment of the quota. So we had a good interaction, and all the queries related to the biennial election of the Rajya Sabha already been briefed. So we would like to bring this entire schedule to kind information of general people through the media. So, and our preparation is, we are fully ready for the conduct of biennial election of Rajya Sabha in state government. The Honorable Election Commission of India will announce the schedule then only. Election machinery is always ready. Role already, since SIR schedule is already been announced for the state of Meghalaya, we are ready for the SIR in the state. Basically, as present, whatever role, whoever are the member in the E-role of the Meghalaya, we are going to do as per this present E-role and the base E-role of the 2005 when the previous SIR happened, and as per the norm prescribed by Election Commission of India, it will help. Basically, whoever are the citizen of India, 18 year of age, they are eligible to be voter. So there are certain time if they are residing within the state of Meghalaya. So whoever have the legal eligibility to be the voter anywhere in the country. So but they can be voter in one place, not more than one place at a time. Basically till whoever they have the at least epic along with their epic of their relation like mother, father, whoever are there. So, and along with one, there are we already briefed during the SIR. So today, again, mainly this press conference is for the Rajya Sabha biennial election. But moreover, all those prescribed documents, everything, those 11 ID proof along with that Aadhaar is also the 12th, but it is some legal limitations are there. So all those things are already been briefed to the press, and once since the process is ongoing, where there is a lot of publicity related thing, we already did the mapping of the voter list with the present one along with the previous one. So our teams are fully ready. We are going for the training phase, that is more important, because BLOs are supposed to go door to door. They have to give the notices and all that work. So enumeration form have to be given to all the voters for the verification. So our teams are getting ready for the conduct of SIR. There are several political parties, but not all in the state. So we tried to approach them even over phone also, but since due to some preoccupation and other, especially due to the preoccupation, so they are not been able to attend. But we already issued notice to all the political parties to attend this meeting.